In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Google. Over here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Finally, you can choose Google Password Manager over here and click on any password in Password section that you wish to edit. Just click on it and enter your current login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up to access any password in your manager. Now tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, you can discard your changes by clicking on this X at the top left corner, or save them by hitting Save at the top right one. As you can see after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!